In the Ibachi, an individual has everything it takes to do what their chi brought them into the world to do. This is the space of your spirit that your Ikenga sits. Your Ikenga is your physical and spiritual will, your ability to actualize what you desire through your own efforts, or the kinetic force of your chi moving through time and space. This is also the space where your Omumu sits, or your manifesting ability, your ability to make your desires an actuality without force or motion, but through the sheer force of manifestation. Both the Ikenga is the masculine force an individual has in the world, while the Omumu is the feminine.
Welcome to the Igbo Cosmos series, Lecture 4. In our previous lecture, the concept of Chi na Eke, we made people understand that Chi, the guide, na Eke, the destiny, work hand in hand to help the individual human fulfill destiny on earth. In this very lecture 4, we are looking at OFOR na OGU. In the Igbo cosmology, OFOR is the highest symbol of authority. Sincerely speaking, with the in-depth knowledge of what the OFOR represents, I stand to say that the OFOR has been and remains the strongest and the most powerful, undisputed spiritual symbol on earth. Symbol. It doesn't matter how often the ignorant and deceived ones amongst us try to perceive otherwise. It's their opinion. It changes nothing. OFOR works hand in hand with OGU. Both of them connect Ndi Igbo directly to their higher beings and their environment. While the OFOR connects Ndi Igbo to their higher spiritual beings such as Chukwu Okike Abiama, the spirit messengers which are the deities, and our ancestors, OGU relates Onyibo to his environment. As I said in the lecture, the spirituality of Ndi Igbo, the deities which are the spirit messengers interconnects us to our ancestors and to Chukwu Okike Abiama, who uses these deities to govern the universe. I also mentioned some of the deities as Amadioha and Agbaranze. There are others. These deities, the spirit messengers, are embodiments and ensoulment of the natural laws that are anchored in creation. They are the forces of justice in creation. OFOR is the symbol of authority and justice embedded in these natural laws which the deities or the spirit messengers embodies. OFOR represents both the spiritual force and the physical manifestation of this force of justice in the universe. That is the reason for the popular Igbo saying, Ojiofo Gala. Ogu on its own stands for purity, chastity, cleanliness of hands, cleanliness of the hands, hence the saying, onye na-enwe ihe o bu, enwe ihe ọ na-akụwa, translated to English, clear conscience fears no accusation. Thereby fulfilling the balance, he who comes to equity must come with clean hands. In the Igbo cosmology, the balance Jidofo Jidogu is strongly asserted. This means justice in one hand, purity and chastity on the other hand. OFOR na OGU are not in any way connected to idolatry as the intruding white missionaries once postulated. No, rather, OFOR na OGU are the highest symbols of justice and purity on earth. And I just wonder if Chukwu Okike Abiama stands for anything different. Now, who holds the OFOR na OGU in the Igbo cosmology? In the Igbo cosmos, everyone holds the OGU, but every family head holds the OFOR. OFOR is a family thing, usually under the watch of the eldest man in the family. Thus, when the community gathers for something important in the community to take a strong or important decision, every family head comes with the family OFOR, and when a decision is reached, they will apply the power of the OFOR. In my place, it is called OFOR. The OFOR is usually passed from generation to generation. Now, in the ordinance of Ike OFOR, that is, assembling the components that make up the OFOR, a very big ceremony is usually conducted. Families and family heads gather to witness this august ceremony that happens once in a very long while n'ala Igbo. The successful stealing of the OFOR, our Ikenga, from us is the reason ala Igbo is in shambles. It's time every family in ala Igbo begin to search out their family OFOR or get new ones for the family in accordance with our custom, so that from our various ancestral homes we will begin to re-anchor the justice and purity for which the ancient Igbo society was identified with and also known for. That is the first and foremost move to make ala Igbo great again. For those of you who have been brainwashed into believing that OFOR is idol, let me ask, if you saw the ancient stone with which your church bringers and gods used to coronate King Charles of England recently, I didn't hear him from any of you, not a single condemnation. Finally, let me reiterate that OFOR Igbo is not an idol and will never be. It is a symbol. OFOR is our symbol of justice, purity, and chastity. Thank you for listening. I am Mwada Nkemdirim. Please remember to share and to follow me on Facebook. My page is Nkemdirim on Facebook. Our next lecture is the power of Allah, the earth, in the Igbo cosmology. Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị, ya gazie ise.
Mgbe ọ bụ na m nụrụ ọja, obi awụlitewe m. Mgbe ọ bụ na ọja hara, ihe niile na-eri m mmụọ ahapụ n'ụmụ aka. Igbo amaka.